Okay, so this is something I just noticed. I was going to go ahead and adjust my voltage regulator a bit. However, the multimeter I'm using is Craptacular Harbor Freight multimeter, Centec. I didn't know you could change the voltage in your system just by changing how much sun is on the meter. I don't know, can you see that? It says 12.5 in the shade. Goes up to 12.71 in the sun. And yeah, it does it pretty reliably. I mean, I don't know if you'll actually be able to see it, but my hand is like 2 feet away. Let's see here. It's definitely 12.52. And it jumps up as soon as the sun hits the meter. Now I'm using just 2 fingers. Yeah. Wow, ain't that brilliant. Not sure how much I want to trust this now.